ko doon. Turkey fellow ko doon.
Praise God. Hey, just wait for us. Tignan mo, anak ko, patay na tao.
Yeah, old bones.
So don't hold that, don't hold.
Whose skeleton is that?
I don't know. Old people, old people. Up.
Bigyan ka ba kali, oh? Tatay.
Yeah, may pag-biscuit ha. Bagal nyo malamdam ha. Pababa. Ooh.
Doon, this one. This one. Oh, dito lang. Ganyan. Kaya ang college sa kayo green ang crafting dito.
Bok.
The flower.
What's this?
This one is still rolling until now.
What's that, Baba? That's the... This is the one they made hummus?
Water, minutes.
Oh.
Water
For wheat.
for me. This one water, they're going down there, and then going up, going there, and then going up there. And then it will make like this, like this.
And when is here in Naja?
This one is still working down, this one.
You read
And 1,000 years already.
the history here.
Okay, Baba.
1,000 years already. Yeah.
Only the rich people who make this one. Because it's very expensive.
So yan guys. This is a classic city. Assault. Hi Ray. What are you doing there?
Siya ang grandfather niya daw ito ng old town.
Yeah, it's an old town. Yeah, hi. Canggih. Hi guys, this is the okra here in Jordan. Diba ang cute? Si Lemon. So this is the street of shoemakers. It's an old church here in Assault. So one of the oldest church in Assault, Jordan.
hot shower. Just use the bath. It's very nice. Oh. Diyan ka sa taas dyan. Ay, sige na. Wait lang. Dito.
Video to eh.
Ay.